Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a diligent and kind-hearted young girl named Lily. Lily loved spending her days exploring nature and helping others. She believed in the power of kindness and always went out of her way to lend a helping hand. One sunny day, as Lily walked through the village, she noticed a group of children teasing and taunting a stray cat. Determined to make things right, Lily stepped in and gently picked up the scared feline. She cradled it in her arms and promised to take care of it. Lily named the cat Whiskers and brought it to her humble home. She showered Whiskers with love, food, and a cozy place to sleep. Word of Lily's compassionate act spread throughout the village, inspiring others to show kindness to animals too. As the years went by, Whiskers became Lily's closest companion. They embarked on countless adventures together, spreading joy wherever they went. Lily's acts of kindness grew contagious, and the